Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Mike Mogan, the owner of Beach Wagon. I just want to give you an update on where we stand on production. This wagon here is the first sample that we received from our manufacturer. Got it in about a couple weeks ago. We've done all the testing. It works great, looks great. We finalized our punch list of comments. We sent it back to the manufacturer, and they'll incorporate those in the next 2 to 3 weeks or so into the golden sample. And then they'll use that golden sample as the reference during mass production. So this wagon has a few additional features that the prototype did not, so I figure I'd go over those with you. So let's get started. Okay, so we made a couple updates to the control panel. First is the USB port. Now it has a on-off switch. Previously it had power going to it the entire time. You hit the power on, now you can power your devices. Hit the power off, and no power gets to your devices. Next to that is a neutral switch. That was due to popular demand. People had an interest in towing the wagon behind their bike. If I try to push or pull the wagon when it's in gear, it doesn't work because the wheels are locked up. So just hit the neutral switch, and now the wagon will easily move manually. And then hit the switch, back into gear. So the next upgrade was to the controller to improve safety. There's hesitation built into the throttle, so if you floor it, it'll slowly get up to the speed that you want. So I'll floor it, slowly gets up to speed, and then you can let go of the throttle once you get to the speed that you want. And if you go in reverse, same thing, there's some hesitation. And then the top speed in reverse is a lot slower than forward, so that if you want to back it into a garage or a tight space or something like that, it's a lot easier to control. All right, we've also perfected the brakes on the wagon, and I'll show you how they work by going down these ramps. Essentially, all you have to do is release your thumb off the throttle, and then the wagon will come to a stop. So I have it reverse. I'll start going down the ramps, and then when I release the throttle, the wagon will stop. Hit the throttle again, go, release, stop. And then when the brakes are engaged, the wagon won't move. Okay, the final feature I want to show you is our plastic wagon bed. The prototype was made out of wood, but now we're having a mold done so we can make it out of plastic, which will improve the wagon by improving the longevity, making it lighter weight, and also improving how it's weatherproof. And it's real simple to take off. There's 4 bolts that hold it down to the frame. You just unclip the clips on the back side, which I've already done. Pop the wagon off, or the wagon bed. Take it off. You can take it over to the hose or the sink, wash it off. Bring it back. It's real easy to put back on. Just drop it in. Put the bolts back in. Put the clips on the back side. And then you're on your way. Well, I hope you enjoyed my update. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. You can reach me my email address at mike@e-beachwagon.com.